Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel app in easily. Open the Pixel app, select a shape, remove the background color, duplicate the shape, change the background color, select the color filter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.